Practical export functions in leading media proDigi, Part 2, Invoicing and data integration. The campaign is running and it is time to take care of data integration and billing the client for your services. 5. Invoicing, export to leading media. Open the export window and activate export to leading media. If you want month-by-month billing, also activate the option Do Month Split in leading media campaign. More about the month split in this video. After exporting to leading media, the campaign will get a checkmark in the Export to LM column. If you want to change something in an already exported campaign, first create a copy of it to be able to follow the editing history. Then change the desired items in the original campaign. When exporting to leading media again, these will then be updated. 6. Data integration, export to Adverity. To integrate the performance data of your campaigns into your Adverity dashboard, activate the Adverity option in the export window. Clicking on Export opens an Excel sheet with the campaign parameters prepared for Adverity, ready for importing there. In the next video, we will show you how to use the monthly split function to achieve effortless monthly billing with just a few clicks.